Have you ever noticed that sluggish feeling after a heavy meal or the sharpness that comes with a healthy snack? That's because the food you eat doesn't just fill your belly, it fuels your brain. In this video, we'll explore how diet directly impacts your mood, memory, and mental clarity, and offer some simple ways to eat for a sharper mind and better overall well-being. If you're often feeling tired, moody, or forgetful, you're not alone. These could be signs that your brain isn't getting the nutrients it needs, but the good news is that making better food choices can change that. Certain foods can enhance brain power, while others can drain it. So let's dive into how your diet shapes the health and function of your brain. The brain is composed of fats, proteins, amino acids, tiny traces of minerals, and glucose. Each nutrient has a unique role in how you think, feel, and function. For instance, fats like omega-3 and omega-6 fatty acids are essential for slowing down brain aging and reducing the risk of memory problems, which you can get from foods like fish, nuts, and seeds. On the other hand, too many unhealthy fats such as trans and saturated fats can damage the brain and contribute to inflammation, making it difficult for the brain to communicate effectively. Including foods like salmon, mackerel, chia seeds, flax seeds, and walnuts in your diet helps maintain the structure of brain cells and boost mental performance. Proteins break down into amino acids, which are used to make neurotransmitters, chemicals that influence mood, alertness, and relaxation. Balanced diets with foods rich in tryptophan such as turkey, chicken, and eggs help increase serotonin levels, the feel-good neurotransmitter, while foods like dairy and legumes provide tyrosine, which produces dopamine to enhance motivation and focus. Additionally, your brain needs a consistent supply of vitamins and minerals for protection against damage. Antioxidants from colorful fruits and veggies help the brain fight harmful molecules that accelerate aging. Key vitamins such as B6, B12, and folic acid play crucial roles in memory preservation and mental sharpness, while minerals like iron, copper, zinc, and sodium support cognitive development. To protect your brain from oxidative stress, eat blueberries, kale, broccoli, and dark chocolate. Vitamin B-rich foods like eggs, beef liver, and leafy greens support brain health, and mineral-rich foods such as pumpkin seeds and lentils enhance cognitive function. Even though the brain only accounts for 2% of body weight, it uses about 20% of your energy, mostly in the form of glucose from carbohydrates. But not all carbs are equal. While high-sugar foods provide quick energy that quickly fades, complex carbs such as oats, quinoa, and whole grains offer a steady glucose supply for sustained alertness. Incorporate brain-boosting foods like fatty fish, blueberries, turmeric, broccoli, pumpkin seeds, and dark chocolate to support brain health. Here's a recipe for a brain-boosting salad. Combine 1 cup of flaked cooked salmon, 1/4 cup of chopped walnuts, 2 cups of mixed salad greens, 1/4 cup of blueberries, 1/4 sliced avocado, and 1 tablespoon of chia seeds in a large bowl. In a separate bowl, mix together 1 tablespoon of olive oil, 1 tablespoon of lemon juice, and a pinch of salt and pepper to taste. Drizzle the dressing over the salad toss gently, and enjoy a delicious nutrient-rich meal to keep your brain sharp. Remember, your diet directly affects your brain. By making smart food choices, you can enhance your mood, memory, and mental performance. What you eat today shapes how you think, feel, and live tomorrow. So try incorporating these brain-boosting foods into your daily routine for better mental clarity and overall well-being. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Holistic Healing Remedies for more natural health tips.